What's up, everyone? I hope you're ready for an adventure because today we're diving into a side of Atlanta's airport that most people never get to see. Hartsfield-Jackson. Atlanta International Airport isn't just the world's busiest airport, it's a destination in itself, packed with surprises for those who know where to look. I'm about to take you on a journey through Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, one of the busiest airports in the world, handling over 100 million passengers every year. But instead of just rushing to your gate, we're going to slow down and explore some of the airport's best-kept secrets, places even frequent flyers might not know about. Most travelers barely notice what's around them as they hurry to Thanfarman. The summit to the terminals, but ATL is actually filled with incredible hidden gems. Did you know there's a 1,000-foot-long underground art gallery connecting concourses A and B, or that you can sample authentic Southern cuisine from local Atlanta chefs right inside the airport? From stunning art installations tucked away in unexpected corners, to mouth-watering local restaurants serving up real Atlanta flavors, there's so much more here than meets the eye. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just passing through, get ready to experience Atlanta Airport in a whole new way. We'll uncover secret lounges, hidden relaxation zones, and even a few spots where you can catch live music or see rotating art exhibits. Let's uncover the hidden treasures that make this place truly special. Let's get started. Atlanta Airport is basically a city of its own, buzzing with energy and excitement every hour of the day. With over 100 million passengers passing through its terminals each year, it's not just the world's busiest airport, it's a crossroads of cultures, stories, and hidden wonders. With so many travelers, it's easy to get swept up in the hustle and bustle and miss out on what makes this place truly special. But there's way more to it than just coffee and departure gates. Beyond the obvious, Atlanta Airport is packed with surprises. Think quirky shops, fascinating corners, and even a few secrets that only the most curious travelers ever stumble upon. Did you know there's an entire underground tunnel system connecting the concourses, filled with art and history, or that the airport has its own beehives producing local honey? I'm your guide to the coolest hidden gems, like secret art walks that showcase Atlanta's vibrant local talent, tucked away reading nooks where you can escape with a good book, and meditation rooms designed for a moment of calm in the middle of the chaos. Some of these art installations even tell the story of Atlanta's civil rights legacy, while others are interactive, letting you become part of the exhibit. And let's not forget the foodie spots only locals know, places serving up authentic Southern flavors, hidden bakeries with melt-in-your-mouth pastries, and international bites that will make your layover unforgettable. Ever tried a peach cobbler from a bakery tucked behind Concourse B? Or sampled world-class barbecue without ever leaving the terminal? Atlanta Airport's food scene is a journey all its own. Stick around for insider travel hacks and tips that'll turn your layover into a mini vacation. I'll show you where to find the best charging spots, how to access the airport's hidden relaxation zones, and even where to catch a glimpse of plane spotters' favorite runways. Whether you're here for an hour or half a day, you're about to see Atlanta Airport in a whole new light. Let's dive in and uncover the secrets together. First up, let's uncover one of ATL's best-kept secrets, the hidden art walk tucked away inside the airport. Most travelers rush through, never realizing there's a creative world just beneath their feet, waiting to be explored. But this isn't just any airport art. It's a curated journey through Atlanta's vibrant culture and history. This underground gallery stretches between Concourse T and A, transforming a simple walk into a vibrant journey through color, imagination, and local culture. The art walk began in the late 1990s as part of the airport's commitment to showcasing Atlanta's creative talent, and has since grown into one of the largest public art collections in any airport worldwide. Take a moment to slow down and soak in the rotating murals, striking sculptures, and mesmerizing digital art installations, all created by talented Atlanta artists. Notable names include Radcliffe Bailey, whose mixed media pieces reflect the city's African-American heritage, and Fahamu Peku, known for his bold, thought-provoking portraits. You'll also spot works by Amy Landisberg, whose Flight Paths installation uses light and glass to evoke the feeling of movement and travel. Each piece tells a story, reflecting the city's diverse spirit and creative energy. For example, the Journey of Hope mural celebrates Atlanta's role in the civil rights movement, while interactive digital displays invite you to become part of the art itself. The exhibits rotate regularly, so there's always something new to discover. whether it's a sculpture inspired by Atlanta's skyline or a mural depicting the city's musical legacy. It's a refreshing escape from the usual airport chaos, a peaceful oasis where you can pause, breathe, and let your mind wander. Don't forget to snap a selfie with your favorite piece. Share your find and tag me. I'd love to see which artwork speaks to you the most. Who knew an airport could double as an art museum? Next time you're passing through ATL, take a detour and let the art surprise you. And if you have extra time, check out the airport's guided art tours or pick up a brochure to learn more about the artists and their stories. The Secret Art Walk is truly a hidden gem that brings Atlanta's creative heartbeat right into the heart of the airport. Ever notice the vibrant murals while riding the plane train at Atlanta Airport? These murals are the work of talented local artists like Steve Penley and Fahamu Peku, who were commissioned to capture the spirit of Atlanta. Drawing inspiration from Atlanta's rich history, the murals showcase everything from the city's role in the civil rights movement to its legendary music scene and iconic skyline. You'll find these masterpieces along the plane train tunnels between concourses A and B, and also between concourses C and D, so keep your eyes peeled as you ride. Next time, grab a window seat and enjoy this moving art gallery, featuring music legends, civil rights heroes, and more. It's a free tour of Atlanta's culture and creativity right from the train. Foodies, don't miss ATL Skypointe Market in Concourse F. This bustling spot is a paradise for anyone craving a taste of Atlanta. Skip the chains. Here you'll find mouth-watering southern barbecue from local favorites like chicken plus beer and artisan coffee at Jittery Joe's. Don't forget to grab fresh pastries from Atlanta's own Sweet Auburn Bread Company, famous for their sweet potato cheesecake and pecan bars. The market also features unique bites like gourmet sandwiches, vegan options, and even international flavors perfect for every palate. For shopping, check out local gift stalls for Georgia-made jams, snacks, and souvenirs, ideal for last-minute gifts or a treat for yourself. Fuel up, shop local, and experience real Atlanta flavor, all without leaving the airport. Need a break from the airport chaos? Tucked away near Concourse E, the meditation room is a hidden sanctuary designed for pure relaxation and peace. Inside, you'll find soft lighting, calming decor, and comfortable seating. Yoga mats and cushions are provided, so you can meditate, stretch, or simply unwind away from the airport buzz. Most travelers don't even know it exists, but it's open to everyone. Just follow the signs near Concourse E. Even 5 minutes here can reset your whole day, helping you feel refreshed and ready for your next flight. For a moment of peace, check out the Interfaith Chapel, located in the main terminal at Atlanta Airport. Open to everyone, this calm oasis offers comfy seats and a serene atmosphere, away from the airport rush. You'll find quiet corners for personal reflection, meditation, or prayer, no matter your faith or beliefs. The chapel is open daily, typically from early morning until late at night, so you can visit whenever you need a break. Chaplains are available for support, offering counseling, spiritual guidance, and even group services for those interested. Whether you need a quiet space, a listening ear, or a moment to recharge your spirit, the Interfaith Chapel is here to support every traveler. Here's a rare find. Atlanta Airport features an outdoor smoking lounge tucked away near Concourse F. This spacious terrace is accessible from the international terminal, just past security, so you don't have to leave the secure zone to enjoy it. The lounge offers comfortable seating, ashtrays, and plenty of space to stretch your legs. Even non-smokers come here for the fresh air, panoramic runway views, and a peaceful break from the busy terminals. Special features include shaded areas, benches, and a front row seat to watch planes take off and land, making it a true hidden gem for travelers seeking a breath of fresh air or a unique airport experience. Aviation fans, you're in for a treat at Atlanta Airport's Mini Aviation Museum exhibit, tucked right inside the terminal. Here, you'll find an impressive collection of rare plane models, including early Delta Airlines aircraft and iconic jets that shaped aviation history. Don't miss the historic uniforms, some dating back to the golden age of flight, plus fascinating artifacts like vintage flight maps, original pilot logbooks, and classic airline tickets. The exhibit also highlights Atlanta's pivotal role in aviation, with displays on the city's first airfields and the evolution of Hartsfield-Jackson Airport. Be sure to check out the interactive timeline wall, which walks you through major milestones in Atlanta's aviation journey. It's a fun, quick stop, perfect for killing time during a delay, and a must-see for anyone curious about the city's soaring history. Book lovers, there's a delightful secret tucked away in Atlanta Airport, the secret book exchange. You'll find this hidden gem between concourses D and E, nestled in a quiet hallway that most travelers walk right past. Here's how it works. Simply bring a book you finished and swap it for one that catches your eye on the shelf. There's no sign-up, no cost, just a simple honor system. You might discover a gripping novel, a travel memoir, or even a handwritten note from a fellow traveler inside the cover. Tip: if you're searching, look for a nondescript bookshelf near the seating area, often camouflaged among airport decor. Don't be afraid to take your time browsing. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just passing through, the secret book exchange is a little adventure and a chance to connect with fellow readers, one book at a time. Feeling stiff or stressed from your travels? Head to the hidden spa and massage chair area near Concourse C, where you'll find a range of relaxing options. Choose from chair massages, foot rubs, and even aromatherapy treatments. Prices start at just $2 for 5 minutes in a massage chair, while professional spa services begin around $20 for a quick 10-minute session. Travelers rave about the friendly staff and the instant relief these services provide. Treat yourself. You'll board your next flight feeling brand new. If you're facing a long layover at ATL, these 5 essentials will make your wait comfortable and stress-free. First up, the Cabot Evolution S3 Travel Pillow. This pillow offers incredible neck support and memory foam comfort, so you can actually get quality rest, even in a busy terminal. It packs down small, making it easy to carry in your bag. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. Next, the Bose Quiet Comfort 45 noise-canceling headphones. These headphones block out airport noise, letting you relax with your favorite music or podcasts. They're lightweight, have a long battery life, and are perfect for tuning out distractions. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. Third, the Anker Power Core 1000 portable charger. Outlets can be hard to find, but this compact charger keeps your devices powered up all day. It's lightweight, charges quickly, and fits easily in your pocket or backpack. Always keep a charging cable handy too. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. Fourth, the Hydro Flask Standard Mouth Reusable Water Bottle. Staying hydrated is key, especially on long flights. This bottle keeps your drinks cold for hours and is easy to refill at airport water stations. Plus, it's eco-friendly and saves you money on bottled water. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. And finally, the Ever Snug Travel Blanket. Airports can get chilly, and the soft compact blanket doubles as a pillow or lumbar support. It's perfect for cozying up during a nap or just staying warm while you wait. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. Pro tip: pack all these items in a lightweight carry-on for easy access. ATL has water stations everywhere, so refill and stay hydrated. If you have extra time, explore the airport's art exhibits or grab a bite at one of the local restaurants. With these basics, you'll turn any layover into a first-class experience, no matter how long you have to wait. What's your travel must-have? Drop it in the comments and share your best layover tips. We've just taken you on a journey through Atlanta Airport's coolest secrets, art walks that brighten your path, bustling food markets with local flavors, and unique spots like book swaps and peaceful meditation rooms. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just passing through, ATL offers so much more than just gates and terminals. From delicious eats to quiet corners for relaxation, there's something here for everyone. So next time you find yourself at Atlanta Airport, don't just rush to your gate. Taman fire somberdaken se. A momenter dende concert. Somberstad, some danger deberbar. Then gridaden sike, hin wine, the hidden gems. You might discover a new favorite spot and actually look forward to your layover. Like and subscribe for more travel hidden gems, and let us know in the comments which ATL spot you're most excited to check out. Safe travels! Thanks for joining me on this ATL adventure. I hope you enjoyed uncovering these hidden gems as much as I did. There's always something new to discover, and Atlanta Airport is full of surprises waiting for you. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more airport secrets and travel tips. Share your own hidden discoveries in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your favorite airport finds, and if you have an airport you want me to explore next, let me know. Until next time, Keep exploring the hidden magic in every journey. See you on the next hidden gem adventure.